The storm after the storm, the FEMA-run National Flood Insurance Program appears riddled with widespread cheating and potential criminal activity. CBS 2's Jennifer McLogan follows up on last night's 60 Minutes investigation from Long Beach.
Everybody down here in Long Beach got screwed with the insurance companies.
2.5 years after Sandy, widower Charlie Montross of Long Beach is among thousands of homeowners unable to recoup flood insurance claims amid mounting evidence of wide-scale fraud. Original engineers' reports were allegedly changed to make it look like the damage wasn't as bad.
Why did you make me pay my policy all these years for flood insurance, for contents and foundation, and you didn't pay off on anything? You know, and that's wrong.
60 Minutes reported the proof last night with another Long Beach homeowner across from Montross, Bob Cable, stunned when his home, literally knocked off its foundation by a sand dune from colliding waters of the bay and ocean, received a no damage finding from his insurance adjuster.
How could you write a report like that? He goes, it's not my report. I said, what do you mean it's not your report? He says, wait here. He goes to the trunk of his car, picks up the report, and brings it into the house. He says, this is the report I wrote.
Cable took photos of the report. Structural damage had been changed to not structurally damaged. Engineer Andrew Braum blew the whistle on what happened, showing 60 Minutes evidence that 96% of his reports were doctored.
The ones that weren't changed, interestingly, were ones where I recommended that no repairs are required.
Brad Kaiserman's the new head of the Federal Emergency Management Agency's flood program. On the job for about 3 weeks, he's already answering allegations of fraud and criminal activity at the expense of some of Sandy's hardest hit families.
I'm not going to sit here and conceal the fact that it happened, because in the last 3 weeks I've seen evidence of it.
When was FEMA first warned? When did it call for an investigation? As a result of the 60 Minutes story, New York and New Jersey senators are now demanding congressional hearings.
Why were they altered? Who forced them to alter them? And where was FEMA, which is supposed to have oversight here? All these questions need to be answered.
I hate to see these insurance companies get away with it, fraud and everything else. It's not the American way.
1,800 Sandy victims now have FEMA lawsuits pending, claiming they were cheated out of flood insurance claims, allegedly altered and denied. From Michigan Street in Long Beach, Jennifer McLogan, CBS 2 News.
And in another twist, if FEMA brokers negotiations and victims of the storm recoup funding from their insurance companies, families may have to repay New York Rising. That's the state-based rebuilding program.